You thought I forgot? Base science never forgets. It's the hottest day of the year. Hell yeah, that sack is starting to look like a ripe plum, which obviously means feel good ink. So we need to bring some of that Arctic Circle. We need to bring some of that Lapland swabs back. Oh hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. We're feeling like Montezuma up in these. Up in the nature. It's reindeer hard. This actually looks like some of the most appetizing raw meat I've ever seen. I gotta say, I love hard. Hard gives you the biggest energy boost I have noticed out of all of the different cuts of meat. Hard gives you just like this tap-like energy for hours. Last time I ate beef hard, I just started to clean up my shit, my apartment, and I never did it. I had so much energy. But this different level, this reindeer hard, it looks so cool. So pretty. Got a little bit of fat. The meat looks super dark, rich. Let's get into it. Let's start with the fat part. I brought this from the Lapland when I was there a couple months ago. Hard is the easiest organ to eat if you're new to the organ meats. To me, the organ meats taste the best out of all of the cuts. But heart's the easiest because it's the most similar to the muscle meats. So the reindeer, I would say the reindeer hard. I cannot really taste the difference compared to the beef hard. And I really like beef hearts. And this is probably way more pure, so to speak. It's like 15 degrees with no wind, no chemtrails, perfect clear skies, and we're starting to see some green over here. It's been like 5 months. So it's just an amazing day to eat some reindeer heart, to celebrate the summertime. Yeah, it's good. If you enjoy hard, you're gonna like reindeer heart. The fat in the heart is not the best kind of fat. It's always the waxy type of fat. Come on, little bird. You want some heart? Oh, he came closer. You want some heart? It's talitiainen. It's this beautiful small little bird. It has a yellow stomach. Let's kill one and eat it. Yeah, the fat is always the waxy type of bullshit fat. I'm sure it's nutritious, but it does not taste as good as the yellowish, buttery type beef fat. Or reindeer fat in this case. Like, it doesn't taste bad, this fat, but it's just not the Mamma Mia, Bon Appetit fat. Oh fuck no. Look at that. My reindeer hard blood is attracting the waking flies. Get out of there, bros. The flies, they love the raw meat. And these flies must be hungry after the winter. Yeah, reindeer heart, highly recommend it. One of the easiest organs to eat. Tastes kinda like muscle meat, but with a slight, maybe irony taste. Personally, I really like it. It's like 9 out of 10. Usually always I feel super energized after eating bunch of heart. That CoQ10. Probably by some part, because you get crazy amounts of that from heart, and you don't really get that much from other foods. And maybe it's the love. You absorb the loving energy of this reindeer that lived in the tundra of Arctic Circle. Now its love is my love. That's that Montezuma philosophy. The Aztecs, they knew a thing or two about eating hearts. Yeah, it's really good. I guess we'll have to eat some raw chicken also, to keep the experiment going. Whoa. I gotta say, sunlight makes massive difference how you feel. And the better, the stronger the sunlight, even better you feel. Strongest day of the year, I feel unreal. That's the #1 health practice. Be out here in sunlight. This raw meat shit and all that, that comes maybe 3rd or 4th, 5th. It's cool. It helps. Eating some reindeer hearts, it helps. Eating some raw chicken, it's the best. But what's even better? Sunlight. This fucking ground, this green, trees. Now, obviously you cannot live only from that, but you do get quite a bit of free electrons that you don't have to even salmon Nutella digest yourself, just from the sun and from the ground. I'm looking at this weird bird. Is that a bird? I've never seen a bird like that in Finland. Let's go kill it. That's how you feel when you eat reindeer hearts. You wanna hunt some sheep? My raw chicken also pretty good. Raw chicken always good. But it combines pretty well with that reindeer heart. Anyway, reindeer heart, 9 out of 10. Highly recommended. Raw chicken, 11 out of 10. Always recommended. Sunshine, 11 out of 11. Manifest that shit like John D. Rockefeller.